Traveling is so fun, but sometimes the way there can be boring and uncomfortable. Good thing Crafty Hackers has your back. Today we put together DIY crafts to make your trip more comfortable. So before we get started, take your mouse on a trip over to that notification bell so you'd never miss one of our videos. And while you're at it, give us a like by hitting that thumbs up button. Now strap on your seatbelt and let's get started with our first craft. Seatbelt Pillow. This hack makes napping in the car a breeze. Start by grabbing an old pillow and cutting it in half. Now fold some fabric with the printed side facing in and pipe a line of hot glue up one of the free sides. Use a pencil to smooth down the seams and repeat on the adjacent side. Now flip the fabric right side out. Pull the stuffing out of your pillow half and stuff it inside the fabric. Once it's the size and firmness you like, cut off any extra fabric at the opening and cut the open end into strips like this. Now tie them together. Now grab a long piece of Velcro and use hot glue to attach each strip to the outsides of your pillow. Once the glue sets, try it out! Place the pillow on your shoulder and attach the Velcro strips. Sweet dreams! Aroma eye mask. This is a great hack for blocking out the world while trying to relax on your trip. Start by tracing a pair of glasses on the back side of some folded fabric. Next, pin it and cut it out. Remove your pins and sandwich a piece of elastic between your fabric. Now sew almost all the way around your eye mask like this. Make sure you really secure the elastic on one side. Now flip your eye mask inside out. Time for the filling. Mix rice with a calming essential oil. Give it a stir and use a funnel to fill up your eye mask. Now cut off any extra elastic and glue the opening shut with the free end of the elastic. Now take a big whiff and enjoy your aromatherapy eye mask. Travel tray. Upcycle an old picture frame into this lap desk to give you a flat surface no matter where you go. Start by removing the backing and glass from the frame. Lay out your fabric, add your pillow, and place the glass picture backing on top. Now fold the extra fabric over the glass. Pull your fabric through the frame and secure it by rolling up the sides and attaching with hot glue. Now for the handles. Make sure the fabric on both sides is the same length and cut each side into 6 strips like this. Braid 3 strips together and secure with an elastic. Now tie the ends together. Add a little extra fabric to make this cute bow. With its soft and cozy underbelly, this tray will let you work and eat so comfortably, you'll forget you're in the back seat instead of at home. Portable Lego Kit. This is a super cool way to beat your boredom wherever you are on the go. Start by grabbing an old lunchbox. Next, cut a piece of Lego building plate to fit the lid of your lunchbox. Use squares of mounting tape to attach the plate to the lid. Now cut a smaller piece about this size and glue it to the bottom of the opening like this. This will help keep in your Legos while you open the box. Bonus hack, you can make a quick tic-tac-toe game with the pieces like this. The possibilities are endless. Cork Keychain. This floating keychain will make you feel at ease if you're taking a boat trip. You'll need a cork, some chain, a screw eye, and a key ring. Start by opening up one link of the chain with scissors or pliers. Close the ring shut around the screw eye. Next, screw the screw eye into the wine-facing side of the cork. Lastly, attach the key ring to the chain and add your keys. Now, even if you drop your keys into the water, you'll be able to see your cork floating and scoop them right up. No diving needed. Car blanket. It's hard not to feel comfy when you're curled up with a blanket. Start by folding a blanket into thirds, then fold it into thirds again. Next, grab an old sweater and measure it against the sides of the blanket. Cut off the sleeves and use a piece from the body of the sweater that's the same size as your folded blanket. Next, glue 3 sides of your fabric panel to the blanket like this. Not only is this pocket great for keeping track of little things while you're sitting in a car or an airplane, but check this out. You can fold the blanket into thirds, and thirds again, and tuck it right into the pocket so it stays neatly folded. Air freshener. Nobody's comfortable in a stinky car. Make this air freshener to keep it smelling sweet. Start by decorating a spice jar. We picked this cute applique to add to the lid and used tweezers to attach pom-poms with hot glue so we wouldn't burn our fingers. Close the lid and give it a little shake to mix it up. Now set this in a cup holder or tape it under the seat so you can keep your space smelling fresh. And there you have it, our DIY crafts to make your trip more comfortable. We hope you're feeling more comfortable already. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Crafty Hackers so you never miss out on one of our awesome DIYs and life hacks. And leave us a comment telling us your favorite way to stay comfy on road trips. Thanks for watching! See you next time!